Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Saji at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na pipick up po natin para po sa buwan ng Pebrero. At bago po tayo mag-umpisa, binabati ko po kayo ng advance Happy Valentine's Day. We have, wow, Burning Desire. Signs and Clue. And Self-Love. Okay, Saji. So, ang sinasabi sa iyo dito na message na mag-focus ka for February is there's a burning desire, no? Merong, kung gaba sa Tagalog, mainit na o naglalagablab na kagustuhan na ma-express ito, no? So, this is really something very passionate. So, it would pertain to something to do with sexual intimacy. Okay? So, ang susunod natin dito is signs and clues. So, you know, the universe is kung ba talking to you in a way through signs at saka yung mga clues na yan. Kaya maging very sensitive tayo o aware sa mga binibigay na mga simbolo o pahiwatig ba sa inyo ni God o ng universe. Okay? Pagdating sa pag-ibig. Now, self-love, self-explanatory naman ito. Siyempre sinasabi natin ito, mahalin mo muna ang iyong sarili. Okay? Maybe some of the Sagittarius na ating mga viewers sinasabi dito na mag self-love muna tayo. Okay? So not all of you, maybe some of you might be needing to really look into yourselves and bigyan ng mas mahalagang attention at pagmamahal. Okay? Hindi ang pag-ibig naman, hindi lang naman to sharing with another person, but also first and foremost is with you, no? Ikaw muna. Kung alam mong mahalin ang sarili mo, alam mo magmahal din ng ibang tao, o alam mo paalam do sa tao na kung paano ka dapat mahalin. Okay? Kasi alam mo na kung paano ka dapat mahalin. Alam mo yung pakiramdam o dapat na mga bagay na binibigay o ginagawa para sa'yo, para makita mo na sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na, ay oo, mahal ako nito. Kasi ginawa mo yon sa sarili mo na. Okay? So, maliwanag po yan. Doon sa mga ating mga ibang saji na there is this burning desire, no, to get intimacy or to get intimate with somebody. Dahil syempre magva-Valentine's Day tayo, alam mo na minsan merong mga practice na gano'n na sa magjowa o kaya kahit kung mag-asawa, it's fine, of course, definitely you need that. But do sa mga medyo hindi pa dapat, kasi nga kung gaba hindi tayo lisensyado para gawin yun, ano. I think you know what I mean pag sinabi nating lisensyado, but though it is really part and parcel of having a relationship na we get intimate, talagang na-express yung pagmamahal na yun through having that intimacy. Okay? Ingat lang, that's what I'm trying to say, no? Hindi mag-ingat tayo na kung ano yung magiging consequence kasi nito. Okay? Just be very mindful of what you and the person will encounter kasi kung ba after. Yung after effect kasi yan. Ang medyo tignan natin. Hindi yung before o hindi yung during. But it's the after. Okay? So you be very careful. Okay? And syempre sabi ko nga signs and clues. Medyo mag-ano tayo dito. Maging aware tayo dun sa mga binibigay na pahiwatig ni God sa'yo pagdating dito sa relationship mo o sa pag-ibig. Okay? So, pagdating sa tarot, tingnan natin kung ano yung message na mapabasa natin para sa'yo, Saji. Oops, may nag-flip. You have the Emperor. We have the 9 of Coins, the 7 of Wands, the 5 of Swords, and the Chariot. Bottom niya, Saji, is the 9 of Wands. Okay, Saji, yung 9 of Wands natin dito is all about being, sabihin natin, in a way, nag-iintay, no? Waiting, nag-iintay, guarded. Kasi pag nagwe-wait ka, sometimes it's very tiring, di ba? Nakakapagod na. Kung ikaw yung medyo nagtipong guarded ka naman, nung, alam mo yung may pinoprotektahan ka, nakakapagod din yun. Kasi kung yung pinoprotektahan mo, walang nangyayari, no? Kung gaba palang walang nakikita mong resulta sa ginagawa mong aksyon. Because wands are action, no? This is a form of showing yung intention mo sa relationship. Andiyan ka kahit na sabihin natin na parang alam mong pagod ka na, no? You're tired, and parang tipong you have a long day and still you're standing and trying to protect the relationship. Kung gaba, that's something na inaano ko lang para for you to understand yung meaning ng 9 of Wands. Now, with the Knight of Swords, there is this yung parang sinasabi ng Knight of Swords natin dito na merong mabilis na paggalaw. There will be some fast movements happening dito sa relationship na to, which is totally opposite, no? Yung opposite yung pinapakitang energy dito. Kung dito walang nangyayari kasi though this is an action card na parang dapat may nangyayari, but the point is, yung ginagawa niya action dito is just to be on guard, no? Yung nag-aabang ka lang. Kung ba, ito yung tipong wait and see kung anong mangyayari. But this one is really moving. May galaw. May pag-action talaga. In other words, ito na yung resulta nung iniintay mo. Well, the result would be maganda naman kasi with the 3 of Pentacles, you are aiming to have a harmonious relationship, no? Na magkaroon ng kooperasyon yung relationship nyo, na maging maayos, na maging smooth yung flow ng takbo, kung gaba yung how things are developing with you both, okay? Which is good. So this is maybe part of that signs and clues natin na, you know, even though you feel na akala mo walang nangyayari, but there is something happening. and it eventually will be on the positive end, positive side, na magiging maganda yung pagtatrabaho niyo pareho o yung pag-work niyo together. This is like saying that you are working together to achieve that goal, to be more better with your relationship. Now, ito po, yung Emperor, this is an energy coming from an Aries, another fire sign, just like you, Saji. Maybe yung past mo, you are with somebody who is definitely older than you, or somebody na seryoso talaga sa'yo. This is a male energy, okay, Saji, na it could be na kung sino yung mas dominating sa relationship. Kasi, di ba, sabi ko nga sa tarot, ang gender is not specific, no? I might be holding an emperor card na definitely lalaki, but ang nirepresent ito lalaki, but sa buhay natin ngayon, it could be same-sex relationship, so it's okay kung sino yung mas domineering. Or meron kasi meron tayo po lahat ng male energy, no? We both have a female and a male energy, kahit ano pa yung gender mo. So sometimes, di ba, nararamdaman natin na we are so aggressively, like a male, parang lalaki, napaka-aggressive natin. But sometimes, doon sa mga lalaki naman, you feel na medyo lumalambot yung yung pakiramdam nyo, because that is your feminine side na lumalabas, no? Natural lang yon. Same sa mga babae na, yung mga babae normally alam na nila yung pagiging feminine, yung magiging malambot, no? But ang di nila masyadong gets minsan is yung male energy na yon, na bakit ang aggressive nila, ang tapang nila, ang lakas ng loob. Yun, yung male energy natin. No? We both have all of those. Okay? Now, so ito, yung Emperor is really telling you parang somebody from your past. You might be dealing with an Aries, no? Or yung tipong ganito na older than you, who is very serious about you. Maybe isang boss siya, or somebody na may katungkulan, no? Definitely may possession. Kaya kung bakit ganito siya kumilos, umasta, kasi kung gaba leader o nasa management position yung person mo, nakakatanda sa iyo, maybe older than you, so yung level of yung maturity niya mataas, no? Somebody na talagang masyadong controlling, no? Pero determined, who knows exactly what to do, merong plano, no? Yung mga ganong characteristics. So you might be dealing with somebody with ganitong energy, okay, Saji? Now, ano bang naging problema? It seems naman na okay naman yung tao na to, di ba? If you would look at it, yung mga positive na characteristics is okay naman. But ano yung naging challenge? Siyempre, pag ganito kasi yung person, no, you might be dealing with, sabi ko nga, kung ganito yung person na kasama mo o na deal with mo o naka-relationship mo, more of naka-center yung buhay niya sa sarili niya. Because alam niya definitely alam niya yung gusto niyang ma-achieve. Kung gaba goal setter to, yung meron itong hinihit na makamit o matupad sa kanyang career, sa kanyang sarili, which is like a nine of pentacles, no? Nine of coins, na somebody who is very independent, no? Hindi niya kailangan ng kahit sino. Yung on his or her own, kayang-kaya niyang mabuhay kahit wala ka. Okay? So, this might be somebody na yung in a way na, kasi kung titignan mo, Saji, positive yung mga characteristics na sinasabi ko, di ba? But it would come to be a issue or a problem kung may karelasyon ka and you are so much involved fulfilling all your goals, no? In other words, wala kang time sa person mo. Now, take it as it resonates dito, okay? It might be you or it might be your person. You might have these characteristics also, Saji, no? Baka ikaw ito. So, take it as it resonates. So, and then, ano ba yung action to be taken? Nagiging ang tendency mo with the Seven of Wands is to be protective, no? Kung gaba parang you put yourself sa isang bubble, no? Sa isang bula na andun ka sa loob na walang makakapasok dito kundi ikaw lang. So you're very protective, no? Pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo from any other issues or people na talagang would stop you from fulfilling your dreams. No, this is how I see it. Now, ano ba yung intention? With the Five of Swords, ito yung card kasi na sa isip mo, in your thoughts, no? Ikaw yung panalo pag ganito ka. Di ba? But this is something na akala mo, you thought, kung ba ikaw yun lang nag-isip? Kasi it is also something na kasi dahil akala mo you won because you got all the swords, no? Nakuha mo lahat ng sandata ng mga kalaban mo. Kung ba sila nag-retreat, nag-surrender, ikaw hindi, panalo ka, nakatayo ka pa rin. Because you've been very protective of yourself. And you've been focusing on yourself. Diba? Puro self eh. This is a self-made man, no? Puro nakasentro sa sarili mo. Kaya, ano ba yung advice? Is to move forward, no, with the Chariot. This is again a energy na nagsasabi na magiging mabilis yung pag-usad nito. Movement, there is movement. Definitely, nakapag-decide ka na kung saan ka pupunta. O you wanted to reach that particular destination. Kung ano man yung goals na minimithi mo. Parang nobody can stop you because kung gaba nakaplanado na eh. So, you are so determined to move forward. Okay? Now, parang talagang everything is really parang centered to one person. Hindi ko makita yung relationship part. Kasi walang cups, no? There's no cups. It's just wants and money. And a bit of thoughts, no? But it's supposed to be with the Chariot, energy to coming from a Cancer. Pero ano pa rin eh, this is a major arcana. Okay? So tignan natin, clarify natin. Bakit andito yung Emperor? It fell down. So tignan natin. We have the Two of Swords, the Three of Coins, and the Fool for the Emperor. You're trying to make a decision dito about working with, cooperating with maybe with your person or with a group of people, but you feel like you want to take that risk of being on your own, no? Parang gusto mo mag-take ng magbabakasakali ka na mas mabuting mag-isa ko, No, that's how I would see this. So you are trying to decide, no? Nag-isip ka, gusto ko ba na meron akong katrabaho na, ipakita rin yung capabilities ko to that person or to that group. Kung gaba tipong sharing what I know, my knowledge and everything, kesa magsarili ako and just do what I love to do. Explore and, just go ahead. Yung wala nang plano-plano, parang sige lang, gawin ko lang yung gusto ko. Okay? Maybe that's why you're trying to think kung ano nang gagawin, kasi nga yung susunod na card mo is the 9 of Pentacles. Now, bakit andito siya? Bakit andito yung 9 of Pentacles? We have the 8 of Wands, the Lovers, and the Knight of Swords. Kasi 'di ba ang sinasabi natin dito, this is a card or energy saying that you want to be on your own, no? Gusto mong mag-solo. Gusto mong ipakita na kaya mo, na ikaw lang mag-isa. Because you are capable of doing that. Dahil marami kang pangarap sa sarili na gusto mong matupad. Gusto mong maabot ng itong level ng resources, no, yung pera, yung kaperahan mo na talagang mag-grow, no, dumami siya sa papamagitan ng pagsusumikap sa sarili mo. Okay? Ganun siya. Hindi mo kailangan ng anyone, ng partner in life para sustentuhan ka financially. This is really proving to yourself that you can live on your own. Bumubuhay ka ng ikaw lamang. Kasi nga, magaling ka, matalino, may kapasidad, maganda ang career, marunong mag-ipon ng pera, marunong sa pera, o magaling sa negosyo. Ganun siya, yung 9 of Pentacles. No? In other words, yung success, yung pagtatagumpay sa iyong mga goals sa buhay, no? Pinatunayan mo dito. Okay? Now, ano ba yung nagiging problema o challenge dito is maybe communication. Yung maraming pag-uusap. Maraming pag-uusap sa lover mo, sa person mo. Maybe you don't have the time to communicate. If you are that busy, no, kung marami kang ginagawa talaga para makamit mo yung goals mo, wala kang time to communicate with your person. And with the Knight of Swords, of course, ito yung, diba sabi ko may speed, ang tipong gusto mo sana mangyari na. Maybe one of you, your person, either you, Saji, again, take it as it resonates, is hoping and praying na sana maging matupad ito, na magkaroon ng panahon para makapag-usap kayo. Kasi the Lovers is also a card of decision. Making that decision. An energy coming from a Gemini. Okay? Maybe if you're dealing with a Gemini, may Gemini siya sa kanyang chart. So, you wanted to have that decision in life pagdating sa pag-ibig. That's why you wanted to have that conversation with your person. Mangyari na to. Okay? Now, bakit andito yung 7 of Wands? Bakit andito yung 7 of Wands? We have the Hierophant, the Ace of Pentacles or coins, and the 7 of Swords. Bakit ka very protective, no? Dito sa relationship na to. Are you trying to protect yourself into getting married? Or are you protecting your marriage if you are already married? But the way I see it is, this is really telling me na yung relationship na yun, you wanted to have this new beginning. Bagong pag-uumpisa dahil ba merong hindi, parang there was something that was not expressed at all. Parang merong hindi na natupad. Okay? Kasi kung married ka na, parang you're wishing for a new beginning. Something na hindi na-fulfill sa past. Okay? Maybe yung marriage mo is something na if you were hoping for something na maging umangat yung buhay, things like that, na kasi this is coins. Kung gaba you had problems with your marriage kasi of money problems, no? So you wanted this new beginning, yung bagong pag-uumpisa muli sa inyong married life. Kasi nga may mga bagay na sabihin natin na nung nagliligawan pa kayo o hindi pa kayo kasal, ang dami mga nasabi na, oo, gagawin natin to. Ito yung mga pangarap natin na tutuparin natin, magkakaroon tayo ng bahay, mag-iipon tayo mabuti, magkakaroon tayo ng paplano natin pamilya. So, in other words, parang it was all false words, no? But not totally false, but yung ang sarap pakinggan ng panahon na yun na nagliligawan kayo, na nangarap kayo pareho, pero in reality, ngayon hindi siya nangyayari. That's why you're aiming for something na mabago sana. Karoon kami ng pagbabago. Magbago muli. So, yung gaba parang you're hoping for a new beginning with your relationship. No, you could be married or you are in a relationship. Mabago sana. Kaya in a way nagiging very protective ka, no? You're trying to protect yung relationship in a way kasi nga you're hoping na magkaroon ng pagbabago, change. Bakit andito yung Five of Swords? We have the Hierophant. We have the Hermit. The Hangman. And the Temperance. Now, yung, di ba sabi ko dito is this Five of Swords is all about feeling that you have won, no? Yung pakiramdam, yung pag-iisip mo, more of the thoughts to, yung pag-iisip mo na ikaw yung nagwagi dito sa iyong pinaglalaban, no? Dahil kasi nga pinag-isipan mo to mabuti, no? Matagal mo tong pinag-isipan. These two cards, this is an energy coming from a Virgo, the Hermit, and the Hangman is an energy coming from a Pisces. Pareho silang nasa thinking mode. Pareho nilang pinag-iisipan mabuti yung sitwasyon o yung pangyayari. Okay? In other words, hindi siya basta-basta umaksyon because this is an energy o parehong ang ibig sabihin nito ay tumigil muna, nagstay put muna, at nag-isip ng malalim. Okay? Pinag-isipan maigi muna ang nangyayaring sitwasyon nyo. Bakit mo pinag-iisipan mabuti? With the Temperance, this is your card, Sagittarius. To be in balance. Para mabalanse. Para tama ka pa rin. Yung alam mo yung you're still in your right mind to make the decision. To be balanced. Okay? Hindi kasi dito, di ba, parang isip mo, ikaw lang yung nanalo. But maybe not. Kasi sabi ko, it's just your thought. Pero in reality, totoo ba ikaw nanalo? Ikaw ba talaga nagwagi? Kaya kailangan pag-isipan mabuti. Bakit andito yung Chariot? We have the Page of Swords, the Seven of Cups, the Ace of Wands. You made the decision to move forward. Ang naging final decision mo dito, ang outcome, is to move forward. Kung dito pa lang, no? Di ba sabi ko dito, you were thinking very hard and long kung ano yung talaga. Dito, nag-decide ka na, no, I have to move forward. Kailangan gumalaw ako. Diretso. And that is your message. No? Yun yung mensahe na gusto mo ipakita. Even if you are given so much options, no? Kahit na you were presented with so many options, you're still hoping for that new beginning in passion. Okay? Maybe that's why signs and clues are very important. This is a way of, no, God is talking to you, telling you exactly if you're asking for ano ba yung tamang desisyon. In a way, God is showing you kung ano yung tamang desisyon. Kasi dito, He was presenting you other options. Pero ang pinili mo is to have that new beginning. Something very passionate, no? I think what you have chosen is something na just like yung element, fire, no? Mainit. Something that is very close to you. Yung talagang gagawin mo kasi ikaw ito eh. Ikaw to. So very action-oriented. That's why you decided to move, no? Gumalaw. Because you want action. You want movement. Gusto mong galaw. Gusto mong may aksyon, may pangyayari, may resulta. Okay? So, ganun yung gusto sabihin dito. You made that choice, no, to have that new beginning. If this is dealing with you, no, something very passionate. Kasi the way I see it is parang pinili mo yung sarili mo eh. You chosen yourself. Like saying, you chose to love yourself first. It's self-love. Since this is a wand, no? Since wands ito, fire to, it is you, Saji. Pinili mo yung sarili mo. You chosen yourself. No? You're been thinking, if I will given so many options, no? Pagpili, ano pipiliin ko? Yung sarili ko. Doon ko siya nakikita. That's how I see it. Hindi naman masama yun kasi, di ba meron nga rin yung sinasabi na, no, self-love. Love yourself first. Mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo. Maybe that is what this is all about. If everything just started, with just being very passionate with someone, Science and Clues is telling na pakinggan mo yung universe, no? Kung ano yung sinasabi sa'yo. Because at the end of the day, it's still you that matters. Yung sarili mo importante. Okay, Saji? Take it as it resonates kung sino yung nag-aano dito. Kasi you might be dealing also with another fire sign, di ba? O pareho kayong fire sign. What if kung pareho kayong Saji? But what I'm saying is you chose yourself. Pinili mo yung sarili mo, which is tama. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message. Now, we have love endures. Love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstands every situation. There's really true love, no? Kahit ano pa yung mangyari sa'yo, talagang tatagal kayo. Yung tipong ipaglalaban mo ito. Okay? Kaya, ano ka lang, cool ka lang. Now, since you chose yourself, I won't be dealing with yung characteristics mo, but because it's all self-love. Now, let us just check kasi yung timing nito. Itong pagde-decide, no, to move forward, kailan mangyari to? Now, April. It says here April. Maybe it would give you time to think about kung ano nga talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa sarili mo. Okay? So, in terms of timing, you're given like 2 months to think about this. And then you'll make your decision sa April. Okay? So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa iyo, Saji. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.